Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss Yukti Praman. In order to understand Yukti Praman, one needs to understand what is Praman. This slok describes Praman beautifully. The word Praman literally means proof. Always a proof is required to establish a truth. Example, in the court of law, a person is only convicted when proven guilty. Praman helps us to obtain proper knowledge or check the validity of the knowledge. In Ayurveda, Praman plays a vital role in the Chikitsa part. Now let us see what does Yukti mean. Yukti means reasoning, drawing up conclusions, making systematic plans based on proper reasoning and logic is known as Yukti. Charak has described Yukti as Now let's discuss about Lakshana of Yukti. This slok describes the Lakshanas of Yukti. It means that the buddhi or intellect perceived as a result of union of many causative factors is called as Yukti. The union of Jala, Bhumi, Karshana, that is ploughing, and Bija, seed, results in production of a crop. Similarly, the union of Panchamahabhut, Atma, Shukra, and Shonida leads to formation of Garbha. As a student, union of time management, attending the classes, self-study, and obedience will help the student to ace the exam. The knowledge gained through Yukti is Trikala, that is, it was true in the past, it is true in the present, and it will be true in the future. The knowledge gained through Yukti Praman helps one person to attain the three Purusharthas of the life. They are Dharma, Artha, Kama. None of the Darshana accept Yukti as an independent Praman. Acharya Charak has mentioned it as a separate Praman earlier, but later on he included it under Anuman Praman. Clinical applications of Yukti Praman. The union of Chikitsa Chatushpad, that is, Vaidya, Upastha, Rogi, and Aushadha helps in curing of the disease completely. Yukti Praman can also be used to identify the ideal dravya and utilize its medicinal properties to cure the disease. Jwara is a combination of factors like Svedavrodha, that is ceasing of sweat, Santapa, increase in body temperature, Sarvanga Grahana, that is body ache. Ritaki, Vibhitaki, Amlaki unite together to form a drug known as Triphala. Triphala is Tridosha Shamak. Poisonous minerals like sulfur, copper, lead, mercury become life-saving drugs, that is Amrut, through the combination of processes like Shodhana, Marana, and Bhasmikarana. Dashamula is a drug in which 10 drugs are combined and formulated in such a way that they are Vata Shamak, Katu Tikta Kashaya Rasatmak, and having Madhur Vipak. Vatsanabha is highly toxic, but it is also one of the best medicine for acute temperature. It is made consumable by combining it with Tankana or Borax. Borax acts as antagonist to Vatsanabha and at the same time increases the potency of the drug. Manashila, that is arsenic disulfide, is the best medicine for Shwasa Kasa. It is purified, diluted by triturating it with ginger juice. Ginger juice also acts on the diseases of the respiratory system. Therefore, it not only purifies arsenic disulfide, but also increases the potency of medicated thread, also known as the Kshara Sutra, is highly essential for the operation of Pile's fistula. It is prepared with the milky extracts of the plant Euphorbia nerifolia. A series of steps is involved in collection of this plant. Step 1. Address the plant evening prior to the day of usage. Step 2. Stab it with a knife. Step 3. Next day, early morning, before sunrise, unstab it and collect the flow. The only flow which is collected is spontaneous, and no other injuries should be made. Apamarga, not the chapter from Charak Sutristan but the plant. It should always be collected from dry area, not wet area, because the chemical present in its roots is water soluble. If collected from a watery area, the chemicals which are required will forever be lost. This was all for Yukti Brahman. Thank you for watching. This is Raj Lakshmi Rasar from first year BMS.